Catching the Moon, written by Mal Peet and Elspeth Graham.
It was time to go to bed. Hal had a tantrum. He shouted and yelled. He stamped his feet. "What is the matter?" asked the Queen. "What do you want?" asked the King. "I want the moon!" yelled Hal. "You shall have the moon," said the Queen. The King called for the servants. "You must go and catch the moon," he said. The servants were called Grim and Crumb. Grim was tall and thin. Crumb was short and fat. They set off to catch the moon. The servants went out into the garden. The moon was high up in the sky. "There it is," said Grim. "How shall we catch it?" asked Crumb. "I have a plan," said Crumb. "We need a ladder, a net, a big hook, and some string." The servants put the ladder by the tree, but they could not catch the moon. "I have a plan," said Crumb. The servants went up to the top of the tower, but they could not reach the moon. The servants saw the moon in the pond. "I will catch it in my net," said Crumb. "Then I will tie it up with string," said Grim. Crumb and Grim fell in the pond. The moon would not stay still. It wiggled and wobbled. They could not catch the moon. Grim and Crumb were wet and cross. They could not catch the moon. They went to tell the King and Queen. The King and Queen were very happy. The moon was right outside the window. "Here is the moon! You caught it!" they cried. But little Hal was fast asleep.